Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you Google Bard AI chatbot advantages and disadvantages. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. Google Bard AI is an experiment based on the same technology that lets you collaborate with generative artificial intelligence. As a creative and helpful collaborator, Bard can supercharge your imagination, boost your productivity, and help you bring your ideas to life. Here with Google Bard AI, you can simply just search this into your browser and then just type in Google Bard, and then this will pop up. You just need to sign up with your email address or your Google account, and after that, once successful, you'll be routed into this page. This is your dashboard, or this is the homepage for Google Bard AI, and this is where you can create or ask all the things that you may be curious about, and maybe there's some things that you want Google Bard to do for you. They will definitely, this is where they will be helping you. So for the advantages here with Google Bard AI is that it actually can generate a lot of informations that are human like, especially when in terms of writing. And this actually can generate as well different creative text formats like poems, codes, scripts, musical pieces, and a lot more. So it could also integrate with other Google services and products, and it can provide user specific answers to questions, which is an ideal for those looking for quick and concise information. For disadvantages, here for Google Bard AI is that they could be inaccurate sometimes, since they could be biased depending on what data Google Bard is being trained on. The answer sometimes could be inaccurate, especially when you will be asking about complex or controversial topics. They they can also be repetitive when it terms with giving you an answer, especially when you have generated the same text over and over again, and it could be slow sometimes, especially when asked to generate large amounts of text. It may take a while for them to generate that information for you. And lastly, it could be expensive, especially for businesses that needs to use it. It could be expensive, especially when they are used for large scale projects. And that's basically it. But overall, in conclusion, this chatbot from Google is actually a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of tasks. However, it's important for us to be aware that there are limitations when we are using these types of um, platform, and we need to use this with caution. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.